National Debt Relief Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of National Debt Relief, one of the most popular debt relief companies in the U.S. National Debt Relief is designed to help individuals overwhelmed by unsecured debts, such as credit cards, medical bills, or personal loans. It works by negotiating with your creditors to settle your debt for less than what you owe, often saving you thousands of dollars and helping you regain financial stability. This service is best suited for people with over $10,000 in unsecured debt who are struggling to make payments and want an alternative to bankruptcy. Here's how it works. After a free consultation, National Debt Relief evaluates your financial situation and creates a personalized plan. You'll stop paying your creditors directly and instead deposit funds into a dedicated account managed by you. Once enough funds accumulate, they negotiate with creditors to settle your debts. The process typically takes 24 to 48 months, depending on how much you owe and how quickly you can save. A standout feature is their no upfront fee policy. You only pay once a settlement is reached. Their fees range from 15 to 25% of the enrolled debt, which is competitive in the industry. National Debt Relief is accredited by the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating, reflecting strong customer satisfaction. Many clients report significant reductions in debt and praise the company's transparency and support throughout the process. However, it's important to consider the drawbacks. Stopping payments to creditors can harm your credit score in the short term, and there's no guarantee every creditor will agree to settle. Additionally, forgiven debt may be considered taxable income, so you'll want to consult with a tax advisor. National Debt Relief is not a quick fix. It's a structured program for people committed to resolving their financial issues. If you're looking for a way to eliminate debt with manageable payments and personalized support, this service could be a lifesaver. That said, it's crucial to understand the risks and compare alternatives like debt consolidation or nonprofit credit counseling before deciding. Overall, National Debt Relief is a legitimate and effective option for those overwhelmed by debt and ready to commit to the process. With no upfront fees, a proven track record, and a focus on client success, it's worth considering if you meet the qualifications. As always, research thoroughly and consult a financial advisor to ensure it's the right choice for your situation.